Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, American Rodder. My name is Solon, and tonight we got a special TrI-5 Chevys video for you of 10 of these cars that are up for sale on the internet. If you like this kind of videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And go ahead and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time we post a video, which usually will be in about 3 days. And be sure to remember that links to the cars can be found in the video's description. All you have to do is go in there and click on the link, and it should take you straight to the car that's featured for sale. This video's commentary question is this: if you could own one famous movie car, which one would it be? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's just kind of have fun to see what everybody would like to have. Now let's go ahead and get into the video with number 1. 1955 Chevrolet American Graffiti. $65,000, listed just a day ago in Birmingham, Alabama. This car has been driven 29,000 miles since its motor rebuild. It has manual transmission. The exterior color is dark gray. The interior color is white and black. It has a clean title. The seller's description goes as follows: 1955 American Graffiti style replica with a modern twist on the iconic movie car. Dark gray, almost black body. Interior is white and black leather covered with 1964 Impala bucket seats. Super nice interior and exterior. Zero rust, and car has the original body panels on it. Engine is a legendary over-the-counter LS7 454 with a Tremec TKO 5-speed transmission with a 3.90 rear gear. All chrome and glass is in excellent condition. It's a great running car. Too many details to list, so the seller says call him with any questions. Number 2. This is a 1955 Chevrolet Nomad, listed 2 weeks ago in Mount Zion, Illinois for $69,995. This is my favorite car in this video and therefore gets my Editor's Choice Award. The car's been driven 76,586 miles since its build. Has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is orange. The interior color is tanned leather. It has a clean title. This Bel Air is a local consignment sale, so there's no dealer tax or fees. It is a well cared for car and maintained by the current family for over 20 years. This car is not a trailer queen. It has been loved, driven, shown, and enjoyed. There are 180 pictures and a walk-around video ready for viewing. All you do is contact the seller, and he can furnish that to serious inquiries only. Now, you may have noticed on some of these ads and a lot of my videos, you will not hear a lot of information about the car that is up for sale. And that's because I'm limited to the information supplied by the seller, which usually means the seller had rather discuss the car personally to the serious buyer. Number 3. This one is the 1956 Chevy 2-door Post, listed in Martinsville, Virginia for $45,000. However, since the time of this posting, the car has been marked down to $42,500. Now, this 210 sedan has been driven 93,600 miles since its build. It has automatic transmission. The exterior color is yellow. The interior color is gray. It has a clean title, and the person selling the car is the second owner. The seller's description as follows: super nice 1956 Chevy 210 with a 383 Stoker engine, automatic transmission, new tires and wheels, laser straight body, slick paint in the original factory color, new interior. He may want to trade it for a 69 Camaro or a 66 or 67 Chevelle, but they must be nice. Number 4. This is a 1957 Chevrolet Nomad, listed in Forest Park, Georgia for $89,000. It's been driven 1,000 miles since its motor's been rebuilt. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is black, and it is a one-owner vehicle. Okay guys, this is one of those cars I was telling you about in which I did not receive any further information other than what I just described. However, you can refer to the pictures for details. The seller is looking for serious inquiries only. He is also entertaining best offers. He did supply a lot of good pictures though, and this is a very beautiful Nomad. So let's just let the car enthusiast in us come out and sit back and enjoy these pictures for the rest of this segment. Number 5. This is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air listed in Morristown, Tennessee for the asking price of $62,500. This is just absolutely a beautiful car. The mileage for this car is not listed by the seller, but it does list that the exterior color is red, the interior color is black, and it has 3-speed on the column, and it is a beautiful 1957 Bel Air with a 283 engine. Number 6. Guys, this one is a beauty. It is a 1955 Chevy 2-door post in Rutledge, Alabama, priced at $41,000. It's been driven only 237 miles since its total restoration. It has manual transmission with a red exterior, and the interior color is red. It's in excellent condition with a clean title. The seller's description is as follows. The show-stopping 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air has just 237 miles since a full frame-off every nut and bolt restoration. This car is as nice as it was when it left the assembly line in 1955. The beautiful gypsy red and India ivory color combination inside and out really sets this car apart. Under the hood is the correct 265 CID V8, which still resides and has been completely rebuilt and highly detailed. It is backed by a 3-speed manual transmission that is shifted on the column. This car is as clean underneath as it is on top and has been professionally restored to the highest level. The interior is incredible and is done in correct vinyl and cloth upholstery with seat belts and all the chrome you'd expect in a mid-1950s Chevrolet. Wide white wall bias ply tires wrap painted steel wheels and correct hubcaps. The trunk is restored and finished with painted panels and trunk pan, rubber trunk mat, new spare tire, jack and jacking instructions. This Bel Air runs and drives like new, and everything works as it should. If you want to buy a car and start winning show cars immediately, then this is the Bel Air for you. It would cost you nearly twice the asking price to build this car from scratch. Buy and save yourself a ton while getting a top-of-the-line restored TrI-5 Chevy. Number 7. This is a 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, listed 3 days ago in Quinton, Alabama, listed for $22,000. It's been driven 150,000 miles since its build, has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is black and the interior color is burgundy. The owner is the third owner in line to own the car. It has a 350 engine and a 350 turbo transmission. Runs great. Please refer to the pictures for more details. Number 8. This is a 1956 Chevrolet station wagon listed in High Springs, Florida for $49,500. This vehicle has been driven 10,000 miles since its build, has automatic transmission. The exterior color is purple and white. It is a fantastic show car. This rare 1956 Chevrolet Townsman station wagon has a 350 SBC with a 700 R4 transmission, Holly Sniper EFI, own Aculair E level air ride, finished interior, very nice car. You can drive this car anywhere and it rides great. Serious buyers only. Number 9. This is a 1956 Chevy Bel Air, listed in Old Fort, Tennessee, for $20,000. It has been driven 10,000 miles since its build. It has a manual transmission. The exterior color is blue and white combination. It has a clean title. This car has a Dart motor. It's a very solid car. Has new disc brakes, runs and drives great. $20,000 or best offer. So guys, if you're interested in this car, put on your negotiating skills and see what you can do on it. Number 10. This is a 1957 Chevrolet panel delivery, listed in Westville, Illinois, for $32,000. The mileage is unlisted on this vehicle. It has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is canary yellow. The interior color is gray. The seller's description is as follows: 1957 Chevy delivery wagon, custom beach cruiser with surfboards. It has a 350 motor that has double hump heads, has power steering, power brakes, power windows, and air conditioning. A custom flame paint job sports the outside of the car. All it needs is some Beach Boy music blasting from it, and you're all set to go. Okay guys and gals, we made it to the end of another video. This one's in the can. If you do like watching these videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll get a notification on the next video coming up, which is going to be about classic cars, street rods, hot rods for sale, all under $10,000. So join me then. Until then, see you in the video.